Hi, Ewan here. I'm out on the west coast of Tayvallich estate. Maybe let's see. Oh yeah, there's the Paps of Jura, just to give you an idea of where I am. But what I'm doing today is I am rolling bracken, which is the way that we control the bracken, which is a big problem for us on the estate and other places on the west coast of Scotland, as it takes away from the grazing that we want to do with cattle on various different spots on the estate. So I'll turn around and I'll show you the setup. So essentially we've got the ATV, which is a great vehicle and great tool, and behind it we've got the bracken roller. And the bracken roller is pulled along by the ATV, and essentially what it does is it crushes the stem of the bracken plant. I've pulled this one out just to show you, but it basically crushes the stem, and that sap oozes out of that stem and doesn't get an opportunity to get sucked back down into the root system, to the rhizomes, which essentially weakens the plant to a point where it doesn't want to kind of grow up again. It will come back up. This, what are we, end of June just now, so we'll try and hit this field again in a few months' time to kind of optimise the bracken control that we're doing here. But essentially what that will do is open up this field for other plants, grasses and various other things to come through, allowing us to put livestock on here. So we'll use the cows with cattle collars to kind of graze this field, and it just opens up lots of opportunity for grazing.